Okay, once again you are welcome to my channel where we learn how to make cosmetics. We make soap, all kind of soap, medicated soap, laundry soap, and so on. Okay, today I will be putting on this how to make powder detergent. Say powder detergent. And let me put us through the chemicals we'll be using for this production. Okay, this one we'll be needing. This is a SLS, some will call it rice. You can see it's a granules. Okay, so it needs to be blended. For the purpose of this production, I've blended this one. I've grounded this so it's in a powdery form. Okay, and then the other thing we need is the surface. In this production, I will be using surface as my main ingredient. It's going to take the larger part of it. And then this is my soda ash. Of course, you know it helps in cleaning and then also foams. And this is my STPP. It also helps in the cleaning and then of course this is my caustic soda. You can see it. Okay, and then I'll be using color, two different types of color. I'll be using two different type of color, and of course I'll be using my perfume to give it a nice odor. Okay, if you really want to make profit in your detergent agent, as much as possible go for the low cost guide ingredients. Okay, that's why I'm using the surface for it. It's going to be the major ingredients here, which forms very well. It forms lather so much and then to do the work you want in the cleaning. Okay, so what is the first thing I'm pouring? The first ingredient I'm going to pour there is the SLS. Okay, you know I've grounded it. It needs to be grounded. You don't use it. If you look at the proper SLS, is like rice, and some people call it rice. So I pour my SLS first. Okay, then followed by my sulfates. Sulfate number 2. I pour my soda ash. Did I call it soda ash for us? Please, soda ash is there. I pour my soda ash. Okay, and then after the soda ash, I pour the caustic. Just follow the step by step I'm pouring it. And the last but not the least, I will pour my STPP. Pour it together, so I mix them. Remember to mix with your gloves. Okay, I'm preparing just 500 grams for the detergent. Mix them thoroughly. With this method of mixing, you will find out that you will not lose as such. You will be able to make your gain. Of course, there are some other ingredients that can be added, but I think for the purpose of the profit making, if you use this, it will still serve the same purpose. Okay, you know, instead of using the SLS in much quantity, we replace it with the sulfate, so that it will do the same work of foaming. Mix it thoroughly. If there's any nuts there, make sure you remove the nuts. Okay, the ones that have nuts, I'm breaking them so that it can form smooth powder together. Don't forget to join my online classes. The number is on the screen. There we talk more details on other things and the intrigues in them, and how to go about measuring your ingredients. your chemicals so that you don't overdo any of them. Okay, because the odor of the detergent is already coming out. Okay, the formula I've used, just learn it so you can make as many kilograms as you want from it. I'm making only 500 grams, so as many grams as you just go ahead and multiply them. Okay, thanks for watching till now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it. Let others know about it. Okay, let others know about it. Yes, just click on that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Okay, thank you so much. And then make your comment, ask your question, and share it. Okay, I think it's good. I'm good. The perfume, the scent. Okay, just to give it scent. I hope my perfume is not too much for it. My gloves didn't let me sense it very well. Okay, can't spell it anyway. Okay, this smelling so nice, smelling so nice already. Just leave it to dry. Okay, smelling so nice. Eh,